guys, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today I am going to share with you guys this wig, this fake scalp wig. Guys, this isn't even glued down. Look at this. So let me just show you guys how I slaved this hair. It's really easy as well. So let's get right into it. So this is the wig, you guys. There's the fake scalp. You can part this any which way you like. They sent me this hair to review. They've asked me not to show the inside of the wig because they are still patenting their idea. So I can't show you guys the inside, but I can show you guys that it has a band in the back already, and it is adjustable. It's kind of like a bra strap band in the back. And it's got their logo on it as well, which is just so cute. So I'm gonna pop it on. There's nothing to this hair. Like, I literally don't have to do anything. You don't need a wig cap. You don't need to do like the stocking method. You don't need to do the fake scalp method. None of that. You just pop the wig on your head. It does have a little bit of lace in the back, so I'm just gonna cut that off. It does have combs in the back, but I don't use the combs because I'm not trying to rip out my hair. Look at that. They've already plucked it. They've already done everything. It's just a matter of putting it on your head. Look at the scalp. What? What? Come on. Come on. Look at this. And it's affordable. What do you mean? Are you serious right now? I just wanted to show you guys because that's crazy. I'm gonna cut the lace off right now, okay? Okay, so I've cut off the lace now, and you could, if you wanted to, just kind of wear it like this, but because I like me a little bit of baby hair, I think I'm gonna put some baby hairs into this wig. It's on now. You really don't need to glue it down if you don't want to. If I was going somewhere and I want it to be really secure, like I wanted to dirty wine in my wig, I would put a little bit of gel hair. Because I'm wearing it like this, I don't really need to do that. I just need to style it, so I'm just gonna do that. I am just gonna style it and add some body, but come on now. Right now I'm just playing with it, but it looks so real. This is my first time having a color like this, actually. I think it quite suits me. I'm gonna cut a few layers into the hair. You don't want to start by cutting off too much too quickly, so just start at the bottom, start cutting off just a little bit at a time, a longer length at a time, and then work your way up. Because if you start from the top and then you find, oh shit, you've cut too much, then you can't sew it back on, so don't go crazy. But look at just how adding a few little layers have really added like some movement to the hair. So that's why I'm cutting. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Obviously you can go ahead and style this hair to perfection, but I just want it to look kind of like bed hair, like I just woke up, so this is what I'm working with. I hope you guys like it. I will show you guys actually what it looks like when I really doll it up and glam it up. But yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And look at the separation. Oh my gosh, I love it. And of course, it is still not glued down or anything. It's just sitting there. Don't comb it too much because you don't want the curls to go, like the loose wave. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys in my next one.